If you've ever imported from China and your goods got missing, got delayed, got overcharged, in fact, there are a lot of things that happen to your goods. You see, this video will save you a lot of stress and money. A lot of stress and money, because trust me, when you choose the wrong shipping company, you are going to lose money. Yes, a lot of stress, a lot of money, so make sure you stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel where I teach everything about importation. Today we are rating top 5 shipping companies for importers. Top 5 best shipping companies for importers. Some of these I have used and some I've had a lot of good reviews about them, and I want to tell you so that you will not waste your time and effort looking for the best shipping company, jumping from one shipping company to another that will eat your money or that will give you stress and make you start refunding your customers because the goods are not even here in Nigeria. You understand? Yeah, so we are going to be rating 5 best shipping company in Nigeria. Before I go into rating these companies, there's something I want to say. See, these things, this is my own point of view, my own review. Okay, there are some people that will not agree with me on some things because we all have different experience. Some people will experience they will experience something from a shipping company and they will never use them again, or they will give a bad review about them, but they are good shipping companies. Remember, we don't have the same taste board, we don't think the same, we don't act the same. You understand? So some things a shipping company will do might be like a turn off to you, and it's not really that deep to someone. Go with the one that fits you, go with the one you know is right, go with the one that you vibe with. Choose a shipping company, or you can use multiple shipping company, multiple good shipping company, and choose the one that is best for you. What works for me might not work for you, what works for you might not work for any other people, so you need to choose the one that works for you and dive in. 2 questions you should ask a shipping agent when you want to use them is: 1, do they consolidate? 2, do they procure? Like, do they procure goods and do they consolidate goods? Now, consolidation is, do they help you repackage your goods? You know, when a supplier, you said you bought something, let's say you bought from different suppliers, bought from 6-7 different suppliers, you send it over to your shipping company, they help you repackage it. They help you remove they help you put in things into places. They help you repackage it so that there will not be a lot of space. There are some shipping companies that do not consolidate. Once you buy from them, the way they send it, the way your supplier send it to them, they'll just help you pack it. Like, they'll just help you put it inside carton and send it over. Now, if you look as if you bought a lot of things with different carton, and you'll find out there are some space in some carton that they can just put this particular item inside and save the space of this particular one. I don't know if you understand. Some shipping companies do not consolidate. They will not help you to consolidate your goods. The way your supplier send it over to them, that's when they will just pack it and send it to you, and you'll be paying shipping. Let's say you are supposed to the weight of the goods is supposed to be 15 kg, you'll be hearing 22 kg, and you'll be wondering, is it supposed to be that much? Is it supposed to be that high? I was not expecting it, because they did not consolidate their goods. Some will just pack it and put it in the box like that and send it over. And some shipping companies actually consolidate. So that's why I like to tell people, ask them if they consolidate. If it's a new shipping company I do not know about, ask them if they consolidate. Do you consolidate? If they say yes, no problem. And another one, ask them if they procure goods. If you don't buy your goods yourself, you know, when you want to pay for your goods, when you want to pay to your supplier and you cannot pay yourself, you have to pay someone, you have to give someone the money, send the money to someone, and they help you to pay. But some shipping agency do not procure. Yes, some shipping agency do not procure, meaning they do not help you pay. There are some shipping agents, some, there are not a lot, there are some shipping agents that do not procure goods, and there are some that procure. So ask them if they procure. That is if you don't pay for the money, if you don't know how to pay for the money yourself. Like, maybe you're a beginner and you don't know how to pay for the money yourself. Ask them, oh, do you procure? When they say yes, do you consolidate? When they say yes, then you can go ahead to use them. Now let's go straight to the main video. Starting from number 5 is Sky Cargo. Sky Cargo is actually a very popular shipping company in Nigeria, a very popular shipping company. A lot of people ask their own reviews. Some will say, oh, it's bad, some will say good, but the goods are more than the bad. When I mean bad, not like it's something bad that they keep people's property. No, they are very fast, They are very, very fast. Can be pricey, but they are very, very fast. Some people will be like, oh, the customer agency is slow, they don't consolidate well, or they are pricey. Things like that is not really an issue when importing, to be honest. If they are fast, if they are reliable, see, I can vouch for Sky Cargo that once you use them, you can go and sleep. The rest is settled. Once you use them, just forget about the rest. It is settled. All you need to do is when you get to Nigeria, you know your shipping fee, you know how much you'll be paying. So Sky Cargo, I will definitely rate them number 5. They're on my number 5. Next is Skyjet. There was now, you've never heard of Skyjet. Now Skyjet is also like Sky Cargo, is very popular in Nigeria, but they are pricey and they are fast. When it comes to sea shipping, I prefer to use Skyjet because I feel it fits me. Like, I don't know if you understand, like when it comes to sea shipping, I prefer to use Skyjet. You understand? When it comes to air shipping, I prefer to use another one. Skyjet is expensive, but you will definitely see the worth of your money. You will definitely enjoy what you paid for, what you are paying for, because they are fast. When they are 2 months is 2 months, they are 7 days is 7 days, they are 2 weeks is 2 weeks. Straightforward, very fast, but they can be expensive, which is not an issue. If I'm going to pay for my comfort, I don't see an issue in that. Number 3 on the list is Fish Logistics. Yes, Fish Logistics. I've not used them before, but I've been hearing a lot of reviews about these people. I've been hearing a whole lot of reviews about Fish Logistics, and I can say they are worth trying. They are worth trying. A lot of reviews, good reviews. I had it's very hard for you to hear bad review about this company, about this shipping company. They are straightforward, they are fast, they are like where I've been hearing it, they are very, 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 very good, and they are not really expensive. They are really, really good. So make sure you look at them, like check these companies out before you try them. When you want to find this company, you can find them on Instagram, or you can go on Google and check for their website. You can get their numbers on social media. Tell importers to give you their numbers. You want to make use of that company. Fish Logistics is on my number 3 because of the good reviews I've been hearing about them. Number 2 is Main Service Logistics. And dollar rate is very, very cheap and friendly, and they have very fast customer response. Like, they reply really, really fast. Dollar rate is friendly compared to other ones. It is actually friendly, it is affordable. If you're a beginner, I would say you should look at it and try them out. And my number 1, the one on my list, number 1 on my list is China Dogo. I don't know why people don't really know about these ones. China Dogo, I found them out 2022, late 2022 stroke 2023. Got it from an importer too. Immediately I tried them out, and to be honest, I have never tried another one again since then. I've never used any other shipping company since then. Their customer service is very fast. Their rate is really friendly, cheap. Their people are really, really friendly. Never ever used any other shipping company apart from them. I have never ever tried to use any shipping company. Not that there are no other good ones, but like I said, I'm a very loyal person. Once I see someone, or I see something that fits me, like I see something that I like and something I can deal with, I go straight to it. I do not bother to change. I'm not someone that change a lot. When I see something is good, why are you changing? What if you change and something else happen? What will you say? You will start regretting your choices. So I just like to stay with one particular thing. The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. I will never trade them for anything. Even if I try someone else, I will definitely come back to the main one, which is China Dogo. This is not a paid ad or something. They did not pay me to do this. That is why they are on my number 1 list. They are effective, they are fast, and they are good, and their dollar rate is actually very, very friendly. They also procure too. They procure your goods for you, meaning they help you pay your suppliers. You cannot pay yourself, just send them and they help you pay. Yes, of course, they are going to collect their own percentage. The last time I used them to procure my goods, because I don't use them as my procurement agent, I have my own procurement agent. The last time I used them was 7.5% of your total, like your total amount. If it's 200,000 goods you bought, 7.5% of 200,000 is their own procurement fee, their own procurement fee. So I've not used, it has been long I use them as my procurement agents. I have a separate procurement agent I just use. I just chat her up, send my orders to her, make my payments, and she does the rest for me and send it over to my shipping company. Then my shipping company send it to Nigeria, and from their office it gets to my house. So yes, I will definitely rate these people on my number one, and I would definitely rate them 9.8888 over 10. They are really good. They are really good. We have come to the end of this video, and like I said, please make sure you do your own findings. Make sure you try out different ones, especially if you are a beginner, and choose the one that fits you. We have hundreds of shipping company in Nigeria. These are not the only ones in Nigeria. These are my top 5, and they have been in business for a very long time. There are also companies that have been in business for a very long time, but they are not worth using. Their bad reviews is a lot. Not this one is not, is even more than bad reviews. That is now bad complaints, bad crying, bad dragging. I've been waiting for my goods for 2 years now. I've not seen my goods, and you want to try that kind of company? These are the ratings for my top 5 shipping companies in Nigeria. If you know any one of them, if you've used any one of them, let me know in the comments. And if you have anyone you are using that I have not said, please let me know in the comments. Please make sure to like this video. Make sure you like this video and drop a comment. And yes, you can also share this video to importers or to people that needs to know the good shipping companies out there. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll see you again in another video.